Hello guys, welcome to my Dream GK channel. Everyday new videos will be shown here which will be useful in various competitive exam. So those who are new to my channel will subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. So let's get started. Today's first question is Zloty is the official currency of which country? Option A Poland, Option B Romania, Option C Rwanda, Option D Portugal. The right answer is option A Poland. Which country's currency code is AUD? Option A Austria, Option B Australia, Option C Argentina, Option D Algeria. The right answer is option B Australia. Which was the currency of Spain before the euro? Option A Pesta, Option B Lats, Option C Pound, Option D Dollar. The right answer is option A Peseta. Which was the currency of Portugal before the euro? Option A Pound, Option B Marca, Option C Escudo, Option D Dollar. The right answer is option C Escudo. Which is the currency code of India? Option A IRR, Option B ISK, Option C IQD, Option D INR. The right answer is option D INR. Rand is the official currency of which country? Option A Solomon Island, Option B South Africa, Option C Somalia, Option D Sudan. Option B South Africa. Which is the fractional unit of the Egyptian pound? Option A ATT, Option B piastre, Option C satang, Option D con. The right answer is option B piastre. Which country's currency is not real? Option A Turkey, Option B Oman, Option C Iran, Option D Yemen. The right answer is option A Turkey. Which country's official currency is Naira? Option A Norway, Option B Somalia, Option C Niger, Option D Nigeria. The right answer is option D Nigeria. Aguilla is the currency of which country? Option A Mauritania, Option B Mauritius, Option C Moldova, Option D Mongolia. The right answer is option A Mauritania. Which was the currency of Finland before the euro? Option A Lira, Option B Escudo, Option C Maracca, Option D Dollar. The right answer is option C Maracca. Which is the fractional unit of euro? Option A cent, Option B centum, Option C con, Option D penny. The right answer is option A, cent. Which country's currency is ringgit? Option A, Maldives. Option B, Madagascar. Option C, Monaco. Option D, Malaysia. The right answer is option D, Malaysia. Which is the currency of Maldives? Option A, Rafia. Option B, Kyat. Option C, Metical. Option D, Cordoba. The right answer is option A, Rafia. Which is the official currency of Peru? Option A, dollar. Option B, peso. Option C, colon. Option D, sol. The right answer is option D, sol. Kyat is the currency of which country? Option A, Thailand. Option B, Myanmar. Option C, Mozambique. Option D, Mauritius. The right answer is option B, Myanmar. Which is the currency of
Georgia?
Option A, birr. Option B, lari. Option C, colon. Option D, nakfa. Georgia currency is option. The right answer is lari. Which country's official currency is koruna? Option A, Cyprus. Option B, Croatia. Option C, Denmark. Option D, Czech Republic. The right answer is option D, Czech Republic. The dollar is not the currency of which one of the following countries? Option A, Taiwan. Option B, Fiji. Option C, Mexico. Option D, United States. The right answer is option C, Mexico. Which one of the following countries' currency is not shilling? Option A, Kenya. Option B, Ukraine. Option C, Somalia. Option D, Uganda. The right answer is option B, Ukraine. There are questions for you in the last episode. The International Day of Happiness is celebrated throughout the world on option A, April 20, option B, March 20, option C, May 20, option D, June 20. The right answer is option B, March 20. Today's question is, Lempira is the national currency of which country? A, Guyana. B, Haiti. C, Honduras. D, Hungary.